Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will go over the steps to drafting a deposition subpoena to a non-party law enforcement officer. This is part of the discovery phase. Please watch the video to the end as there is a lot of very important information at the end. As stated previously, a deposition is oral examination of a witness under oath. The party taking the deposition must give enough notice in writing. Remember to check your state rules. Set the deposition during discovery and serve it early enough and allow plenty of time to fix any issues that may arise. The first thing to do is identify where the deposition will take place. Ask your attorney how much time will be needed for the deposition. To set the deposition, select a date from your calendar that gives the parties enough time. In this case, since the witness is a non-party, most likely since he's a police officer, you will draft a notice of intent to serve the deposition subpoena, as well as the deposition subpoena. So you will actually draft two documents. You will attach the deposition subpoena to the notice of intent. In this video, we will go over both documents. Okay, as you may recall, the first page includes the caption information. Add your attorney's name and law firm information at the top. Add all the names of the parties to the case. Make sure you have the correct court. Add the case number and department number. And this is a simple one-page document, and it does just what it says. It informs all parties that your office intends to serve the attached deposition subpoena that will be served at a later date. Date it, sign your attorney's name, complete the certificate of service, and sign your name on the line before serving it. The next document will be the actual notice of deposition. Again, complete the caption information. Notice the word videotaped in the title of the document. Delete the word if the deposition will be done in person. The first paragraph of the notice is the identifying information and also informs the parties of the day and time of the deposition as well as the place. Okay, note if the deposition will be done by video, add the meeting link and password here. The next paragraph informs the witness that they are entitled to witness fees and mileage. The next paragraph is regarding their failure to obey the subpoena. And the next paragraph informs the parties that this deposition may be videotaped. And the next paragraph is regarding interpreters. You may need to arrange for an interpreter if the witness needs one. And the next to the last paragraph informs the parties that the deposition transcript may be used during any proceeding. And of course, they are invited to attend and cross-examine. Add the date and your attorney's signature. Again, complete the certificate of service, which you must do for all documents that you draft and serve. Add your name to the signature line. And that is it for these two documents. And some final notes. The notice of intent must be served to all parties at least 14 days before the scheduled deposition, giving them enough time to object. If no objections are made, calendar the date to serve the actual deposition subpoena by itself. Usually it is served 7 to 14 days after the notice of intent. Again, check your state rules. Remember to schedule the court reporter. If the deposition is done by video, request a link and password from the court reporter and add it to the deposition subpoena. You must arrange for personal service to the officer and include a check for the witness fee. Also send a courtesy copy to the agency. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any questions, as there's a lot of information. I would appreciate that. In the next videos, we will go over serving subpoenas, not deposition subpoenas.